Hello, I am Raf, and I joined the recently concluded IMCS CLAP workshop on critical leadership. After the 4 virtual sessions, I learned so much about leadership in the wider sense and personal one. I realized where am I currently as a leader, and I developed a desire on which aspects of myself I need to improve in order to be a more effective leader. The knowledge I gained from the facilitator helped me to discover my strengths and weaknesses. I also learned on the opportunities that I can capitalize to maximize my potential as a leader. I personally liked the discussion on the 5 levels of leadership. It acted as a roadmap for me on determining where am I currently with regards to my leadership potential. Overall, I see the essence of critical leadership in dealing with issues that affect society today. I like the engaging presentation of the topics and excited for more opportunities like this.